All right, everybody. Who do you know in a travel deal? Spring break is definitely one of the hottest times. People are booking travel. Tons of college kids are looking to book travel, and all these other people in travel deals are going to post their lame website that their company gave them. While with the Conversion Pros, you can make cool pages that are going to attract that young college crowd that are going to say, hey, I want to go on spring break. Show me your deals. Because you could put together cool pages like this with cool fonts, with cool backgrounds, that scream spring break, having fun, and whatnot. Obviously, this page is going to convert about 1,000 times better than some lame MLM corporate capture page. So again, another way to use Conversion Pros is take a small niche like the spring break travel niche and go attack it and win the entire market. We make it so easy at the Conversion Pros.